said I will never use these sunscreens on my face, but I never said do not use it. I have my personal preference not only sa mga sunscreens na ginagamit ko, kundi pati na rin sa mga skincare products na nilalagay ko sa aking face. I do not use chemical sunscreen. I mean, I used to like it, not until I had an irritation from it. So I switched to mineral sunscreen. At ayaw ko din ng hybrid sunscreen. I want no fragrance, perfume or perfume, no alcohol or alcohol dinat, and no parabens in my sunscreens and skincare. Ganyan ako kaarte, period. Walang aangal. At kung ginagamit mo ang isa sa mga sunscreens na ito, at okay naman sa skin mo, then good for you. Di rin kita papakialaman dyan, period.